Overloading is the common way to implement static polymorphism. It means if a class have more than one method which have the same name but the signature of the method will be different. So in that case, that is known as a static polymorphism or the overloading. Why this is known as a overloading? Because more than one method means you can see here in this class, employee class, I have one method that is add, okay, which have two input parameters a and b, okay, and within this method I am adding these two integer variables, okay, and it is returning the same, the output of this one. If I'm creating another method which name is same again add, okay, because I want to provide the same method for the addition, but now I want to give another input parameter within this, okay, and adding this one as well. So it means this proceed means this a class have more than one method which have the same name, okay, but the signature will be different. See, this time the first method have two input parameters, okay, and the second method have the three input parameters. Now I can create the third one, which is also known as a add, okay, and if I'm providing this one as a double, okay, and here the return type will be double. Okay, so in that case, you can see all these three have a different sequence or the data type will be different. In this case, the first one have two parameters, that is integer type. The second one have the three parameters, okay, which also have the these are three have the input type, means the input type is integer, and the third one have a double, the first parameter. Okay, so now I'm going to create the object of this class within a main method. So first I am creating the main method, void main. Okay, this is the main method, and within this, so the name will be m should be capital here. And now I am going to create the object of the employee. Okay, so now you can see if I am going to call the value of the add, means I am going to add. See, I have three different type of methods. This is the overridden method, or you can say the overloaded method. Okay, so see, the first one is employee dot add, which accept two integer variables, means two integer input parameters. Now I am clicking this the second one. So second one can take the double as a first parameter, and last two parameter will be b and c, both are integer, and third one is all three parameters will be integer type, but it will accept three parameters, that is input. Okay, so it means, so a class that is employee have the same method add, but have a different type of parameters which can, if I'm passing c 1 comma 2, I can pass 2, this is all okay, okay, in this that case. And if I can provide the another parameter c, this is also okay. And if I can provide a double value here, first one, then that is also okay. So, okay, so it means if a class have more than, see, the same, the method name will be same, but the data type or the sequence or the parameter number will be different. Means you can say the signature of the method will be different. So in that case, it is known as a method overloaded. Okay, so this is known as a static polymorphism. Okay, why? Because this is decided at the compile time, because I am calling the method whatever I am passing the parameters. If I am passing the this one, okay, then it will call the first method. If I am calling the another parameter, then it is calling the second. So this is decided at the run, not runtime, at the compile time. So this is known as a static polymorphism or the compile time polymorphism. Okay, and this is also known as a overloaded, means overloaded method. Okay, these are all the same things. Okay, so don't be confused here. If you have any question around this one, you can ask me in the comment box. I will provide the proper solution. Okay. Thanks for watching.